Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today I will tell you how you can connect your OpenSea account to your Trust wallet. So you can connect your Trust wallet to OpenSea only on a mobile device. So after logging to your Trust wallet, go to a web browser and search for OpenSea. Then open up OpenSea account, and here on the top right corner you can see three lines. Just click on it, then click on Connect Wallet, and here after clicking on Show More, you will be able to see Trust Wallet. Just click on it and select Trust Wallet, and here click on Connect. Accept and sign. Click on Sign. And that's how you link your OpenSea account with your Trust wallet. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.